In front of me is Nubia Red Magic, Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Features, over here. Now select App Duplicator and tap on grey switcher next to any app that's listed as available to clone, in my case Facebook. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wanna delete this clone, you can do that like you would any other app. Or you can go back to the same section in Settings and tap on the switcher again. Wherever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!